This is what you should expect on the first day of your therapy session. So, the diagnosis of the child has already happened, and now you are going for the therapy. The first day of the therapy session, or maybe the first 2 days of the therapy session, should include first the introduction to your therapist, the introduction to your senior therapist, and very important, a small short meeting with your senior therapist to understand what will be our goals for this 1 month, what will be the process to achieve those goals, what all therapies we will be adding, what therapies we are giving. Are those therapies evidence based or non evidence based? If they are not evidence based, why and what are the things that it will be helping the child with? Whatever are the evidence based therapies, for what problem, what therapy is being given. So, ideally, once you start the therapy, the senior therapist should be able to explain it to you what will happen in the first week, what will be the goals we will be taking care of. For example, eye contact, name response, maybe requesting skill, listening to instruction, following instructions, reducing the behaviors, or whatever motor skills, whatever are the goals, that goals should be discussed with you. And the next thing what they will be telling is what process we will be using to achieve those goals. And the last one they will be telling is every 2 weeks or every periodically there will be meetings that will be happening with you where you will be told what to be done at home, what home plans to be given, what is the improvement in the center, and what do you expect in the first month, second month, third month, and so on. Always remember, it's a therapy for which the child has been brought for improvements. If the therapy is not showing improvement month on month, I'm not saying every problem of the child will go in a month, but there has to be a minute improvement or at least some improvement that starts coming up after a month session or maybe a 2 month session. If the behaviors are lots, it takes time to bring up the changes. But yes, in the first 3 months, there has to be some positive changes that you are able to see in the child. And every time the senior therapist needs to communicate to you what are changes happening and what are our goals and what are the timelines to achieve these goals.